Hello and welcome back to Conversation in English. I'm Alex.
And I'm Sarah. Today, we're having a warm, tasty talk all about breakfast. I'm already hungry.
Me too. In this episode, we'll talk about our favorite breakfast foods, what we like and don't like, and we'll teach you useful words and sentences you can use every morning.
So if you want to sound natural and confident when talking about food in English, stay with us.
Good morning, Alex.
Good morning, Sarah. Did you sleep well?
Yes, thank you. And you?
I slept great. So, what are you eating today?
I'm having eggs, toast, and a banana. I love bananas in the morning.
Nice. I like eggs too, but I don't like bananas.
Really? Why not? I don't know. The taste is a little strange for me. I prefer apples.
That's okay. Everyone is different. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
Usually, I eat toast with butter and drink tea. Sometimes I eat cereal.
Oh, I love cereal. Do you like milk in your cereal?
Yes, I do. Cold milk. What about you?
I do too. And I also like pancakes with honey or jam.
Yum! Pancakes are delicious. I don't eat them every day, but on weekends, yes.
Me too. It's like a little treat. So, today, eggs, toast, banana for me, and for you, toast, tea, maybe an apple.
Exactly. And maybe later, a pancake?
Perfect.
Let's go over some of the useful words and phrases from that conversation. First, we talked about breakfast foods. Here are some key words: eggs, toast, banana, apple, cereal, pancakes, tea, milk, butter, jam, honey.
Now, let's look at the sentence structure. I like and I don't like. These are great for talking about your preferences.
Alex says, for example, A, I like pancakes. X, I don't like bananas.
Sarah says, you can also say, I love cereal. I prefer apples.
Alex says, remember, like, don't like, love, prefer, usually eat, all help you sound natural.
Okay, now it's your turn. Let's practice together.
Alex says, repeat after us. Do, I like eggs. Do, I don't like bananas.
Do, I love pancakes.
Do, I usually eat cereal.
Sarah says, now try to make your own sentences. What do you eat for breakfast? Say it out loud.
Alex says, and if you want a challenge, write your own short dialogue. Imagine you are at the breakfast table with a friend. What would you say?
That's it for today's episode. We hope you learned some tasty new words.
Alex says, remember, learning English is like breakfast. Small bites every day make a big difference.
Sarah says, if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.
And tell us in the comments, what do you like to eat for breakfast?
Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.